Hello, hello. I'm out walking, but I thought of this awesome story that I had heard and I wanted to share it with you. Back in, the Mad Men days, the Mad Men era, there was this guy named Rosser Reeves. He was a big ad guy. One day, him and one of his colleagues, they were walking back to their fancy little office and they passed a homeless guy. The homeless guy had a sign and it said, "I am blind." And for some reason, they observed that there was a lot of people walking past him and no one was stopping and giving him any change, despite the fact that, he had these circumstances that may have been worse than other folks that were homeless. So Reeves had an idea and he said, "I bet that I can get more people to stop and give him change. In fact, I bet I can get most people to stop and give him change if all I do is add a little bit to his sign." So he went up to the man and told him, "Hey, I think I can help you get more. Is it okay if I change your sign a little bit?" The guy had nothing to lose, so why would he say no to that? He said, "Okay, sure." And Reeves added 4 words. And he gave the guy back his sign, and they stepped back, him and his colleague, they stepped back and observed what happened. And very soon, very quickly, people were stopping and giving him change. First person that passed gave him change, and then maybe a few people after that gave him change. And now he was consistently getting more people to stop because of those 4 words. And so what were those 4 words that he added, right? The sign originally said, "I am blind." He added the 4 words that said, "It is springtime and I am blind." Why did that help so many people? Why did that move so many people to start donating change? Well, easy, because it added contrast. It added an answer to the question, compared to what? It made people start thinking about what is their reality compared to this guy's reality. And that persuaded them to want to help them. So Robert Cialdini, he's an incredible social scientist. He calls this the contrast principle. So we know that context is king, but contrast is king too. So next time you're trying to get people and persuade them to purchase your product, purchase your service, don't focus on just the solution, right? Or don't focus on just the problem they're having. Put that problem into context with contrast. Try it out. Let me know how it goes.